everyone, it's Angela from Cloudfetti, and today I'm sharing how to make some mini Christmas baubles out of polymer clay. So to start out, I have some small equal-sized balls of clay in pastel rainbow colours, and to keep them a round shape, I'm just going to bake them fully at this stage. And then once they've cooled down completely, I'm choosing one of them and setting it aside. Next, I have a small ball of pearl clay, and I'm rolling it into a thin snake. And then just cutting off a flat piece. I'm then adding on some bacon bond onto the top of the bauble and placing on the pearl cap. So now it's time to add the face. So I've gone ahead and made and baked 2 eyes and a mouth out of brown clay and some cheeks using light pink. And this will just make it a lot easier to place onto the bauble. So to add them on, I have a small ball of scrap clay and I'm flattening it down gently and placing the bauble on top so that it doesn't roll around. And I'm just spreading on some bacon bond where the eyes go. And placing them on top. And adding some more bacon bond where the cheeks and mouth go. And adding those on as well. And then so everything sticks together really well, I'm leaving the bacon bond for a few hours so that it becomes tacky, just so that when you touch it, things won't fall off like this. And to turn it into a charm, I'm adding in an eye pin, and then baking everything in the oven for a second time. And then once it's cooled down completely, I'm securing the eye pin with some Superglue. And I'm repeating with the rest of the colours, so I have a set of baubles. And that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!